Hello, kids. Welcome to our fun number adventure. Today we are going to learn numbers from 1 to 20 in English. Look carefully at the colorful balls. Each ball has a number written on it. Are you ready? Let's start counting together. 1, 2, 3. Let's go!
Yay!
Look at the shiny red ball. It has the number 1. Can you say 1?
Yay!
Here is another red ball. It shows the number 2. Let's say it together. 2.
Yay!
This sparkling ball has the number 3. Count with me. 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Wow! The ball shows the number 4. Say it loud. 4.
Yay!
Look carefully. This ball has the number 5. High five!
Yay!
Here comes the number 6. Can you clap 6 times?
Yay!
This red ball shines with the number 7. Let's say 7.
Yay!
Look, the number 8 is on this ball. Can you draw an 8 in the air?
Yay!
This sparkling ball shows the number 9. Count up to 9 with me.
Yay!
Wow! The ball shows the number 10. We made it to 10. Great job!
Yay!
Here's the number 11. 2 ones standing side by side. 11.
Yay!
This ball has the number 12. Say it slowly. 12.
Yay!
Look at this shiny ball. It shows the number 13.
Yay!
Here comes the number 14. Can you say 14?
Yay!
This ball sparkles with the number 15. 15!
Yay!
Here's the number 16. 6 and a teen. 16!
Yay!
Look, the ball has the number 17. Say it with me. 17!
Yay!
This shining ball shows the number 18. Count up to 18.
Yay!
Here is the number 19. Almost 20.
Yay!
Wow! We reached the number 20. Give yourself a big clap.
Yay!
Great job, kids. You learned numbers from 1 to 20 today. Counting is so much fun, isn't it? Keep practicing every day, and soon you will be a number superstar. See you next time with more fun learning. God bless you all.